If he's not buying you flowers, then what is he doing? So you're supposed to step on the scale and show your true weight of what is carrying you down on a daily basis. Where have I been? Outside. Okay, so we're about to try again. I'll put on my mask on.
Who knew Haitian food was so delicious?
In Jamaican household, if you don't know, if you're not a Jamaican, every Saturday they cook soup. I hate soup. Interests are superficial. You expect too much for too little. If you're not getting flowers, then what are you doing? Anyways, we're going to play mini golf. Oh my god. That's good.
It's contact for sure.
Cause what bag style are you? The cherry smoothie from Zara. No, that is a dope ass bag. Ooh, ooh. It's bag for like $30. Yeah. Target. It will go so well with the romper that I bought from them. I got roses today, and they're beautiful. Okay, so I went to the store today to get a few stuff. We went to Target and to TJ Maxx.
Look at this one. No, not this. This. This is such a cute bag. That's such a cutie patootie. Such a cutie patootie. That's cute. So we're back in TJ Maxx. This is a cute bag for like $30, but this is such a cute bag. I love it. I'm not think I own on the Steve Madden, but that's a cute bag. What is this? This is a cute vacation bag. How much for this? Oh, 25. This is cute. This is such a cute bag. It's a really cute bag. So I was looking at underwear. I think medium can fit. These are good. So I think these are really cute, but it's too big for me. Cute. This is I actually like the design now. So I saw this and I think it's cute. And look at these shoes. These shoes are cute. They kind of look like a pair of coat shoes that I have. I only got like 2 stuff from Target, and it's this bodysuit, really cute bodysuit. I got it in size medium. The material is thick, so I love that. I don't have to wear bra with this. And it was like for $12. Really love this. Wish I got it in more colors, like white, and I'll take it in black as well. Really nice. I love the Target that I went to today because they have like a large variety of stuff. One, and like the clearance section is like a thrift shop because you can, like, they have so many stuff that you can sift through and find what you like. So yes, I got this. And then I found the cutest pair of sandals. They kind of giving my Coach raffia sandals that I got for my birthday. Was it last year or the year before that? No, the year before that. They're raffia, really cute. They're not as high as the Coach sandals, but they're so adorable and comfy. It's like a brown and a beige tone. Love that. Love these. So yeah, Oh, from TJ Maxx, what did I get? I got this uplifting sweet cherry blossom body wash that I'm going to try shortly. I remember yesterday I was showing you that. Ooh. I went and I tried it. I bought something from them. Oh, it smells nice. I went and I bought something from them, and the bottle, someone opened the bottle before, so I didn't like that, so I brought it back and I changed it. Also had breakfast, relax. I need to do some work, so I'm about to do some laundry and get some work done. But yeah, I'm going to wash my top. The sandals are so adorable. It's just that the cover is in the wrong box. But you know, when I transport to Jamaica, I cannot take it in the box. So there's that. When I like go under the bottom of this, looking at it's not stitched down, it's more glued. I'm almost gonna get a couple wears out of it. I think it will go so well with the romper that I bought from them. So yeah, to get up early so I can go to the handbag museum. So we're outside.
Okay, so let me see, Mark. We're going out today. I'm going for a few for pizza for dinner, so we're going to have tea pizza, and then we're going to go to mini golf. I found a place that does like mini golf. It's like an arcade, so I want to go and experience that. What am I wearing? I am wearing Swarovski jewelry, so like pearls, and a Swarovski necklace, really cute. Let me see if I can tap in. My dress is just from Gap. Handbag is from Samantha Vega or Samantha Tabasa. It's Asian brand, really cute, and I'm going to wear my H&M sandals as well. So I'm excited to go outside. Scent, I'm wearing Jo Malone Scarlet Poppy. This spray on earlier already, and mixing that with the cherry smoothie from Zara. Yeah, catch you later. Chicken, added chicken, and this is gluten free. So we're supposed to be going to the farmers market today. I look quite cute. Glasses is Polo. Earrings are from Target. T-shirt is Target. Skirt Zara, and sandals, you can't really see them right now, it's from H&M. When I get to it, I get a proper video. Top is Target, glasses Polo, earring Target, necklace is from Japan. It's the cutest, daintiest necklace you'll ever see. Skirt is Zara, sandals H&M, bag Jacquemus. Let's spend the day with me.
Mangoes, ginger, vegan cane sugar,
And lemons. Oh, that sounds good. Doggy treats. So outfit for today, we're supposed to be going to the farmers market. Oh, we might go to the Purse Museum. So we're here at the Purse Museum.
let's look around the museum. Listen, this place is absolutely beautiful. They have bags of different themes and so on, and as you can see, I am there trying to show myself. But the place is absolutely gorgeous. The bags are beautiful. They have handcrafted earrings and so on, and some of the bags were so uniquely designed. You had one shaped in the form of a taxi, a beer bottle. It was like, and I think some of them were funky, cute, stylish. They had a handbag for every occasion, for everything that you're going for, and it was absolutely gorgeous, and I loved it there. Look at this bag.
This bag is so cute. I kind of like the bags here. Some of them like are soft leather, so that's kind of cute. This is cute. 178. It's nice. Look at this bag. This bag is cute. It's a tutu. It's good. Cute. This is cool. That's kind of cool. Game over, bitches. This is good. Thank you.
Like, are you seeing the cuteness of these bags? Like, excuse.
Look at the bags. Mighty. Oh, that black one. Have to come in. Look at the timepiece. That is a cute bag. That is a cute bag. In bag heaven, so to say, I really love the bags here. They're pretty cute. Music is playing in the background, so I can't do a lot of talking. But the bags are adorable. A lot of bags are adorable. It's a bag. This is such a cute bag. It's like a ship, somewhat like a ship. Prada, the vintage Prada. The Louis Vuitton. In my bag. I put it in my bag and it's like £1. So I guess this room is about fashion and style and baking in history. Alright, we're all done. I really want to know if this machine thing works and what it has to say about me.
Hi guys, coming in real quick with a voiceover. So this bag museum, it basically spoke about like fashion, lifestyle, the bags you wear, the clothes you wear, and so on. So this room basically highlighted fashion throughout the history. So you know, you have how the scientists usually dress back in the day, how they dress now. You have different medical fields. You have home and economics develop over the years, so you're baking your own food to the going factory-wise and so on. It was pretty impressive. It was really cool. A very unique museum, so to say. It was quite interesting. You have how seamstress, that's like tailors and dressmakers and so on, fashion designers came up over the years, how they used to style the different wears you have. And this is the home economics one. You know, how aprons came about and so on, and how they made it stylish, and it's quite interesting.
Fashion and style. What bag style are you? I am baguette sometimes, frame sometimes, saddle-ish, suitcase, yes. So we're going to get to try the scale. They gave me like, I think it's a nickel. So let's see how it works. Let's say you have to choose your horoscope. I'm a Libra. Right here. Okay. Alright, so let's try it. Alright, so I'm a Libra. Oh, I'm supposed to stand on it? I put it did I put it in the wrong place? Okay, so the first time it didn't work, so we're going to take 2 and see how it works. Let's take 2. Let's take 2. Okay, so it says your affections are shallow and your interest is superficial. You expect too much for too little. Give as much as you take. Oh. It says your affections are shallow, your interests are superficial, you expect too much for too little, give as much as you take. That's a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. So we got something from the museum. So I'm excited because I'm about to whoop someone's ass at mini golf. Period. We got our juice. A jolly good time is about to be here. Come on. Mini golf spot. And we're going to try to do some mini golfing. I'm pretty excited because I know that I'm a big mini golfer. The Purse Museum was really fun, really dope. I actually enjoyed myself. The bags were quite interesting, so that was fun. And I got a small gift for myself, so I'll show you later what I bought. And yeah, let's get into this part of the day. Alright, so they have go-karting over that side. Mighty God, the sun is hot. Of course, you start at 1 and you work your way over. Which one did you get? Is it dark? The finger's not blocking it because the finger's right there. So we're just done playing mini golf and I lost the first round, but I won the second round. It was pretty good. It was really good, really fun. I'm sweaty, I'm hot, and I'm dirty. But we're going inside the AC. I'll probably play a little bit more. It looks so weird. Alright, so we're going to play this game. Let's try it. It's like like a simulation. These are the other games in here. That's pretty cool. So we're out having dinner at the Faded Rose. It's Creole. So
You know, when it's food time, I have to come in and talk. So this right here are shrimp on top of some fried tomatoes. Like, it's tomatoes. They put some coating on it. I think it was cornmeal they coated the tomatoes with, and then they fried them, and then they put the shrimp on top and the sauce. Listen, I've never had something taste so good, so healthy yet so good.
the Creole vegetable soup and beef broth. And
Dinner is served and we have to talk about it. So this type of rice, I think it's called blackened rice, and he had chicken breast with a baked potato, and I had the blackened rice, no, Creole rice, Haitian rice, shrimp, vegetable, 10 out of 10. This was a bathroom. I thought it looked really cute. Great dinner. Yeah, I think Haitian food is up there in the top 5.
but I had an amazing day. So let me show you the restaurant. Hi. So, how's my day been going? It's been a minute. I haven't talked. It's been a minute. I haven't sat with the camera, but I got flowers, some red roses. How am I doing? I'm not doing too bad. Yesterday was pretty awesome. Yesterday was really awesome. We went to the... Hi guys, hello. I look dusty and crusty, but I've been outside. Where have I been? Outside. I've been having some really good days. Yesterday we went to like a mini golf place. You're going to see videos of it and so on. Go-kart arcade type thing, and it was really fun. And it was really fun. It was really fun. As I was saying in a video, I lost the first round of mini golf, but I won the second round, period. I'm very competitive, and I'm gonna show all of that. I was showing all of that yesterday. We played, and that was pretty cool. You basically like have a board where you kind of like shoot and it go back and forth, and that was really fun. We did this other thing where we put on like a mass type thing, and it was supposed to be like AI, basically like a universal type experience, where you have it's like 4D, 3D, 4D. You put on the helmet thing, and it's like virtual. There we get it. Virtual experience. It was like we thought that we were going to control it with like the levers that were there, but no. I basically sit and watch like the virtual world game just play, because we were not controlling that part. We went to like this Haitian Creole restaurant, and the soup, the vegetable soup in beef broth, very yummy. I'm not a soup girly. Listen, I told my mom, I told my parents, you see the day me graduate Westwood, in Jamaican household, if you don't know, if you're not a Jamaican, every Saturday they cook soup. I hate soup. Is it the day me graduate Westwood High School and me can save up my little money in a college when I was going to Mobile come see, and I was able to save up my little money, my work, save up my little coins. Saturday daytime, I'm buying anything, everything, except from coming home and drinking that Saturday soup. Every Saturday me I eat cook food. Every Saturday, because I was off age. I could tell my parents, no, I do not want any soup. So yeah, I'm not a soup girly, but that vegetable soup was so good. They had string beans in it, potato, what else? A whole lot of vegetable that you're not expecting, like a Jamaican type soup, but it's a Creole, Haitian type soup. So it had in, what else? Zucchini. I had in a lot of type of vegetables, but it was really good. Sorry, and then I had this shrimp kebab and over crawfish rice. Sorry, and some mixed vegetable on the side, and that was really good. Like the crawfish was very good. What else did we eat? The bread was pretty good. The French bread was really good. The food was a great experience. Yesterday was a really great day. The day before that, I showed videos of it, of course. You'll be seeing videos of it, of course. Oh, at the amusement place I also won. It's a lighty light. And you press it to stop it. The day before that, we went to the bag museum, and I enjoyed that so much. Hold on, let me show you my clip. But yeah, I went to the bag museum and I got me a present, a little present. My mama was asking me like what the damage I did, but I did not broth. But I was showing you in the videos. I really like this purse. I think it's very cute. It's like a wristlet, so can I carry it on my hand? I have my little money in it. It's very adorable. Of course, it's a leather, and we love that. Stitched. That's how the YouTubers do it. But it's stitched, and we love that as well. And this is how it looks. There's a zipper. And you just put in the money. And you go about your business. It's really small. You can put your coins and you can put your paper money. And of course, you zip it up like that. I'll probably go back and get a purse. I'm not sure. It depends on the other stuff that I need to buy for myself and how much damage I would be doing. Because I bought myself a camera. And that's expensive. And that was expensive. So yeah. There's a cute little thing from the museum. Very interesting museum. The highlight, like but the highlights are like a lot of black designer, like bag designers, and that was really cool. They didn't show like a lot of like famous designer bags. Like they had like one Louis Vuitton wallet, one Gucci bag, one Prada bag, but most of the others were like very vintage and so on. And I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. The only drawback, I wish that it was like a guided tour experience, but it's just you going through the museum on your own, which is kind of good. It has its perks because you don't have nobody will rush you to like go through and take your pictures and stuff like that. But then at the same time, like you don't have anybody like telling you the history. So there was that part. They had this part where you go on the scale. So normally, you know, when you go on a scale, you normally take off your bag, you take off your shoes and all of that. But it was saying like, why do you do that? Because on a daily basis, you walk around with your backpack or your handbag. You walk around with shoes. So all of that is weighing you down on a daily basis. It weighs you down. So you're supposed to step on the scale and show your true weight of what is carrying you down on a daily basis. That was interesting. And then it's supposed to give like a horoscope as well. I think it's a lie. Like straight up, the horoscope reading is not of me. It doesn't speak to me. It's not true about me, period. And so I will not be talking about it. Of course, I did mention earlier on in a video, if me not cut it out, what the horoscope reading said. But yeah, the bag experience was pretty good. We went to a pizza joint, very popular, ram up, full up, fancy, beautiful, but the pizza was not busting on my part. Their cheesy garlic bread are really good, but like everything on the menu had in pork. Salami. Baby, I'll eat a little pepperoni here and there, but the salami was a bit too much. Anyways, I still gave it a try, and I got this honey salami prosecco, I think, type pizza, and then I added chicken on top. The chicken was not seasoned. You could tell that there was no melanation in the back cooking. Yeah, but it was not seasoned, and I did not like that. I did not enjoy my pizza. So yeah, beautiful place though. Doing well. I got some roses today because a girl deserves roses. Well, let me talk about my bonnet. Come on, want to take a nice picture with my roses. I got some roses. Well, I'm gonna turn on the camera like a bit. As beautiful as I am, period. If he's not buying you flowers, then what is he doing? If you're not getting weekly bouquet, what is he doing? Period. Pooh. Like I man, look at this bag. It's a taxi. It's a taxi. It's cute. Like I stop this. Come on, take one picture.
Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies running off in that club.